Who this was built for. Let's set the scene. You pass the same faces every day: uniforms, lanyards, overalls. Different badges, same purpose. Some keep the kit running. Some manage the paperwork. Some keep the lights on or the ground safe. But every one of them relies on the other. That's what keeps the base alive. And if you're part of that chain, this program was built for you. The potential impact. On a base, there's no such thing as "it's not my job." A gap in awareness anywhere becomes a risk everywhere. Shared space means shared responsibility. Let's make this super simple. 1. Respect every role from sentry to supplier. Everyone's contribution keeps operations moving. 2. Stay alert in shared areas: roads, workshops, docks, offices. 3. Speak up early if something looks unsafe. Rank doesn't protect against gravity. 4. Use the Be Hard to Hack app to refresh key points between shifts or briefings. Why this will make you and the base hard to hack. Safety culture isn't about rank or title, it's about trust. When everyone plays their part, the whole base becomes stronger. You're not just protecting yourself, you're protecting the mission. Next up. What makes this different? This isn't PowerPoint and paper cuts, it's real tactics for real situations. See you in the next video.